Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ZenFone Zoom, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with finding and opening and finding the system settings. Of course you can do it with the usage of the thumbs, but I prefer this kind of traditional way. So after entering the settings, we have to find the display. Then let's tap on the wallpaper, and as you can see, first of all we have to choose where we want to set new wallpaper, so the home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And we can finish this action using the gallery, so obviously you can set your own photo as a wallpaper or the wallpapers which are pre-installed on this device. And as you can see, right here we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose, which are really pretty. What is nice also, you can change the transparent status bar, you can change the transparency according to your liking. What is more, there you've got also live wallpapers, ASUS live wallpapers. You can again select the image, so you can choose downloaded ones and get more, which is quite nice. You need, of course, the internet connection. However, here we've got some free wallpapers which you can download, which you can use, so I highly recommend to check the options. Let me choose maybe this one. Just tap on it. As you can see, you can check the preview, so let's simply tap on download, and after that just tap on apply. And as you can see, your device will show it to right here. Here you've got also the background tint, so you can change and the transparency also for the whole wallpaper. It's up to you how you want to set it. I don't think I want to change it. And as I said, the transparency of the status bar. Alright, so if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply. And as you can see, our wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.